Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschool Autism Life. My name is Jamie and today we are going to be doing another video on a manipulative that I have made for my son. So I think a lot of people will have seen calendars that you can get for your kiddos who are in preschool and that sort of thing. And I am still doing a calendar with Darrion. It's just for him, and the girls usually will look at it to do their paperwork or they need their date written down. But it's something that I really have valued with Darrion. Now, the issue that I have with the ones that you can buy is number one, they are expensive. Sorry, my computer's talking to me. They're expensive. And they're really, really brightly colored, like, primary red, blues, greens, yellows, like really, really primary. And unfortunately, my house isn't very big, and I don't particularly like those as decorations that are out constantly. I've seen ones where they're made out of like wood and stuff like that, but I feel like those are like just way too boring or like the aesthetic, and they're stupid expensive, like stupid. So anything made out of wood and is like beautiful and crazy like that, we can't, like, I just can't afford it. So what I did was I got a big sheet. It's a cookie sheet from our local thrift store. It's a ginormous one, which is awesome. And then I use packing tape to glue some magnets to the back, and it sticks on my fridge. That's it. That's it. And then I think I got this in the mail with like some markers or something, and I fixed it up, and I did the exact same thing with this. And it's got the magnets in it and the whole 9 yards, and I just packing taped it up. And so the thing that I wanted to do was I wanted it to be more in line with the colors in my kitchen and in my house. I love blue and all those kind of colors. If you look on Google and write in printable scrap paper for free, I never pay for anything I don't have to. I printed this out and then I built this. Okay, so this is just watercolor paper that I had lying around, and I just colored them in colors that kind of matched my pretty backgrounds, and that's it. That's it. And I went to town and wrote the things that I needed on there. And so I've got today's date, and then I've got the weather, the season, how he's feeling, and the miscellaneous holiday that might be coming up. And with Darrion, it's so funny because the birthday when it was his birthday, it was up for like 4 weeks before, like once something, he doesn't like it being empty. So if we celebrate New Year's and then it's mommy's birthday, then that one has to go once New Year's is done. And so that's why his sister's birthday is coming up in August. So we needed to have this one in right away. So this is just like the little pockets that I have, all of them come out. And this was just a piece of plastic I got from a toy box, I think. And I cut it into the shape that I want, and then I packing tape it up. I think that's going to be my new saying, is packing tape it up. But packing tape is dirt cheap. You can get a whole bunch of it, and it's something that can last you so long and is so utilitarian. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. If you have a laminator, I didn't have a laminator when I first made these, but you can use your laminator to make these little pockets as well. You just put the laminator sheet through, cut it up, and then tape it up with packing tape so that you've got the little pockets. And it's such a perfect, easy way to make things for your kids. It does take a little bit of effort, but it's so worth it because I look at this on my fridge every single day and it doesn't jar me because it's in like bright neon colors or primary colors, and it works just as well. And what I do in here is I have everything. Some of the elastics have fallen off, but this is the packet that I have that has all of the holidays. So when it's Halloween or it's field trip, my daughter made that one, Canada Day, Easter, first day of school, Valentine's Day, Remembrance Day, and Christmas. So all of these things are really easy, and then I just put it in, and then he helps sort through what he wants. All the months of the year are here, and I'm just going to fix the thing because I'm here. Might as well. The weather, we added a new thing to our list of adding what the temperature is. So we have like storms, we have snow here in Canada. And then I would say, what is the weather? Is it hot or cold or like warm or cool? And you'll see on the one that we have here, it was sunny and cloudy and hot. And so those are things he can change out. And we don't do it like if it changes, like weather on the prairies change like crazy. And so if we end up with a storm afternoon, we don't usually go back and change that. But I did laminate these. Oops. And these, again, because I'm artistic, I just painted them with some watercolors, and then he has them for forever. But you could do it with stickers. So I did our seasons. I just painted it the color that I wanted it to match my background, and then I just did stickers for... I love that one. Makes me smile every time. And then springtime, the summer one has popsicles and ice cream on it. So you could do that. I also did that with the feelings. So this is the thing that makes me so happy about my son, is that he always picks either happy or silly. And I just used stickers to decorate those and explain those. So angry and sad and tired. And I'll probably add more for this next year. Just a few more, what would I say? A few more different feelings, like more complex feelings, to see if he will change it up a little bit. Because but we talk about, is it okay to be tired sometimes? And he goes, no. But I'm like, girls, is it okay to be tired sometimes? Yes, it's okay, as long as you aren't being rude or mean to a sibling or whatever. It's okay. And then I did laminate the days of the week because we use those regularly, and there you go. And what I often do is I just fan them out and say, Darrion, what day is it? And he will look at the calendar that's on top of the fridge, also a magnet, and he will be able to pick out what the date is and the month and all of that kind of stuff, and he will do that by himself. So that is my calendar manipulative that I have built. Oh, I put all of them back. This is the manipulatives that I have made for Darrion for his calendar. And I hope, again, like the point of this is not to be like, look what I did. The point is to inspire you and to empower you to feel like I could make that really easily myself, because you can. And it's not hard. You might have to like figure things out, work things out, based on what you can find. But this has been a huge game changer for me in my homeschooling of my son, is to make things that are aesthetically pleasing to me and I want to do them, but also don't break the bank and still help my son. So I hope that this has been a helpful video for you. Thank you for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.